Good afternoon. My name is Cadet Carrera. I'm going to be your PL, and I will be briefing you the WARNO for Operation Hercules Fate. Situation. Our AO is Rockbridge County, especially NAI Iron. Our boundaries are the Mount Maury River to the northeast, MSR Nelson to the southeast, and MSR 11 to the southwest. Terrain. Terrain is restricted, and our best field of fire are offered by routes Panther, Chiefs, and Seahawks. Weather. There will be winds from east to west approximately 6 miles per hour. There's also a 75% chance of rain. Enemy. Enemy is a squad-sized element, approximately 8 to 7 people, most likely armed with AK-47s, RPGs, and RPKs. Our intelligence has informed us that there is also a platoon-sized element of enemy infantry north of the Maury River that will take action to reinforce the enemy if more than a squad-sized element is lost. Mission. 1st Platoon, Charlie Company will conduct a zone reconnaissance, NAI Iron, in order to determine the LPA location and strength no later than 1800, 24th November, 2020. I say again, the 1st Platoon, Charlie Company will conduct a zone reconnaissance, NAI Iron, in order to determine the LPA location and strength no later than 1800, 24 November 2020. Execution. The first phase will be the planning phase. This phase will start at the end of this brief and will conclude when we cross the LD. Phase 2 will be the movement phase. This phase will begin when we cross the LD and will conclude when we finish the leader's recon. The phase 3 will be the execution. This phase will start with the completion of the leader's recon and will end with the RNS teams returning to the RP. The 4th phase is the reconsolidation and organization phase. This phase will begin with the RNS teams returning to the RP and ends with the platoon establishing the patrol base. The squad formation will be the first squad as the assaulting element, the second squad will be the assaulting element 2, and the third squad will be a security element, while having the 4th squad split into 3 teams, each dispersed among the 3 squads. The tentative timeline goes as follows. 1400 is comms check. From 1400 to 1500, we will be having rehearsals focusing on movement, formation, and technique. 1500, we will have cross the LD. In 1630, we will conduct the LDR reconnaissance. And no later than 1800, the zone recon will be completed. For sustainment, we will have a weapons maintenance before crossing the LD. For Class 1, each platoon will carry 1 MRE and 2 canteens. For Class 2, each rifleman will carry 30 rounds of 5.56 ammo, and the ammo bearers will carry 400 rounds. Command and signal. The session of command will go as follows. PL, PSG, 1st squad leader, 2nd squad leader, 3rd squad leader, and the Weasel. The password is Fire Baton. The running password is Thundercrack. The number combo is 7. The time is now 13:30. What are your questions?